Hello there. I know there are tons of videos on mask making right now. We at the Aurora Central Library are trying to provide our services to the community in several ways. We've created programs from reaching out to senior care centers and others who are homebound with our Hoopla, Libby, and Overdrive services for ebooks, e-videos, and are even giving out reviews on staff picks that they may enjoy. We are also still providing lunches to kids daily to be picked up while still practicing social distancing. So let's get started on this DIY project for Aurora PD. We have created packets by staff to work on at home. Each packet contains material already measured and cut and ready to be sewn. We are making a total of 300 masks. Each packet contains material for 10 masks. Other items needed to complete this project are, of course, sewing machine, thread, scissors, ironing board, iron, and pins. So let's get started on this project. So this is the packet that I received to work on my masks. It has 10 masks. This is all the material for 10 masks. And it also has the strips. The strips are all pre-cut. This is a measurement for the strips. This is a measurement for the masks. We're going to start here by folding the material face to face together. We're going to turn this sideways and pin from here to here and sew a 1/4 inch to start. Next step, once you've sewn from here to here, we're going to flip the outside so that this is going to be the face of the mask. We're going to get this seam here and we're going to press it down so it stays straight. Press the whole thing. Once we've done that, then we'll sew these two ends 1 inch to close the whole face mask. Next, we're going to make our pleats. I've already made myself a template with the measurements 1.5 inch here, 1.5 inch here, 1 inch to start our pleats. So let's just lay this down at the bottom of the page. From here we'll grab up to this one, pinch, and we'll pin right here. We'll do the same with this one. Grab here and pin right here. So now that we've made our pleats, I will sew from here to here to hold these pleats in. And then we'll do our next pleat after. Now that we've got these two pleats sewn in, we're going to take from this last pleat here and go the last 1.5 inches up, pin there, and we'll sew these two sides up, and then we're ready to put our straps. Now that we've got all our pleats in, this is the shiny side face up. This will be the outside of the mask. This is the inside of the mask. Now we're ready to put our straps on. So you want to make sure you've got the shiny side of this material face down. The best way to get in the middle, I put my fingers down in the middle, right in the middle of the mask, drop those ends. We'll pin it here, do the same thing with that side. Sew 1.5 inches here to here, and we'll have our straps on. Now that we've got both our straps on, I'm going to press this down here, fold this down here, give it a slight press just to keep it in place. Do the same thing with this side. Then we're going to flip the whole mask over and work on pleating. Okay, now we're going to start folding down our strap 1/3 of the width all the way down to the end, pressing it and holding it down. Go back this way, do the same thing on this side. Just 1/3 of the way down. Again, all the way to the end. Now once we've got that pressed, we'll fold this second fold up to the edge of the mask and press down here, going all the way to the edge, from here, and then from here, same way. Then when we're done with this, we'll go to this side, and then we're ready to sew our straps. Now that our straps are pressed 3 times, we're gonna go to 2 times, we're gonna go to this last fold, fold it over the edge of the mask, and I like to pin it so that it stays in, keeps it in place. I'm gonna do the same thing with the other side, and then we'll be ready to sew all the way down and finish up our mask. I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, we're finishing the last part of the strap. Just gonna sew this and you'll be able to see the finished product. There we go, and there's our mask. Top strap and the bottom straps. Here's how you open up the pleat. That's where the nose will go. Wrap around your head, and it'll pop out just like that.